10 Proven Home Remedies to Prevent Hair Fall. Hot Oil Massage. Massaging your scalp with warm oil, such as coconut, almond, or olive oil, on a regular basis can improve blood circulation, strengthen the hair roots, and reduce hair fall. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera includes enzymes that can increase hair development and decrease hair loss. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp for around 30 minutes before rinsing. Onion juice. Onions are high in sulfur, which can help improve blood circulation to the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Extract the juice from an onion and apply it to your scalp. Fenugreek, Methi, seeds. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight before blending into a paste. Apply the paste to your scalp and hair, then rinse it off after 30 minutes. Egg mask. Eggs are high in protein and can help your hair grow stronger. Make an egg mask and apply it to your hair, leaving it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. Green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants, which can help reduce hair loss. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and then apply it to your scalp. Allow it to sit for an hour before rinsing. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help with hair growth. You can apply amla oil or a paste made from dried amla powder to your scalp.